What up? What up? What up? Y'all, they ain't nobody like the stream yet. Nobody like the stream yet. What's going on? What's going on? Yes, sir. What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG back at again with another live. You already know what the deal is. Make sure you guys like up the stream. Yes, sir. Yup. What's going on with y'all? What y'all been up to, man? What y'all been up to? Hey, I got that psychology video. I got a psychology video to come in tomorrow. He said, "You tired?" Same. Tired, tired. Doing laundry. FX forever. I appreciate you. You struggling? What's going on? What do you think is the main reason why you struggling so much? You say you fed up, Demetrius? It is what it is, you know. We can't choose our life situation, but we can definitely change it. Or we just sit there and let it run its course. Up to you. Dan, don't struggle with that, man. I recommend just saving up your money and get a bigger account. I would say the crypto market. For me personally, I've had my best swing trades on the crypto market. It used to be gold, but now it's crypto. I've been having my best swings on crypto market. What's good, Jose? Kels, you late? Yes, sir. You late. It's all good. So, hey, so I'm gonna be in my Instagram DMs for a little bit. I want to see who's there. Who's there? Who's there? Who's not? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Dang, I haven't been in my DMs in a long time. Woo! You said been there, don't play. Yeah, you messaged me on some. Is this the real NTG? Man. It's too many of y'all. I can't answer all that. You said you don't know how to back test? You don't know how to back test. Oh, ooh, ooh. You're. I'm on the live, man. You on the live right now? I always felt like traders that really make it out here start with a large account and over leverage it to grow. I just don't believe people start with 200 and 2 years later they have 200K. Now, I don't know anybody like that either. Definitely not me. Like I said, I got a separate account for flipping. You guys know that flip account is strictly for content. That my flipping account that I put $20, $50 in there, $1,000 in there. That's strictly for content and flipping the account, right? Flip the account, and I like to upload it for content. My real accounts, like my swing accounts and stuff like that, I do not post. But those are good. My big accounts that I do proper risk, I risk from around 5 to 10% of that account of my real accounts. But my play accounts, I don't care about my play accounts. So, and you guys like to flip, so that's what I like to do, and that's what we do over here. All right, bet. Oh, you in the line? All right, cool. Yeah, yeah, I see you. I see you. I just saw. I just saw it. All right, bet. All right, so we will run through that. We will run through that. Let me answer some more. Answer some more DMs. I'm in my DMs right now, talking to some of y'all, just for a little bit. Demetrius, what's good? I'm gonna keep that private. It's not that quick. Like that $10 account flip that I did, it took me a week. It took me a week, so it's not too quick. Um, it's a lot of strenuous like in and outs of trades. It's a lot more to it, than the videos. Obviously, like there's a lot more in the behind the scenes that I can't really put in the videos. But I'm gonna slowly put it out there. So I'm not in Montreal right now, but I will be in December. So keep me posted. I'll meet you at the metro, whatever station. Just let me know. I'll meet you at the metro. We can meet at Atwater or whatever. It don't matter. Yeah, compounding helps. That's what I used to do. My first 2 years was I would compound my account. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Once you yeah, I told you guys. So if you guys watched my last live, right? My last live, I told you guys to like the live stream. So make sure you guys like the live stream. No, I'm just playing with y'all. But for real though, like the live stream though. But no, no. But in my last stream, I told you guys that the public Discord kept getting like spam like all the time, like every hour, like somebody kept spamming it. It was too many bots, and like people were kept messaging people for like courses, and like they're trying to sell them stuff like signals and all that stuff. So I just got rid of the whole thing. It was too many people in there, so what I decided to do was just wipe it clean, and then what I'm gonna do for the new server, I'm gonna make sure like it has security on it. So like you need like verified phone number, email, and stuff like that. So nobody can just join it, right? And then I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna go live again, and then I'm gonna post it on the live stream, the link. So I'll do that this week or next week. But you guys will get the Discord back, so don't worry about it. Y'all get that back. I just had to delete it because I got tired of it getting spammed all the time, and then I had to I had to ban I had to ban the bot and then keep cleaning the Discord every time. So, people are just starting to take advantage of it now, so that's why I had to do that. I'll never recommend doing analysis on a smartphone. You guys know all my analysis is done on the desktop, right? You guys need a screen. You got to see what's going on. Like if you're on your mobile, like the only information you'll be able to see on the charts is like this much. Like that's not gonna do you good, right? If you're not looking at it. So, what did I just see face reveal again? Sai, come on now. Sai over here asking me for a face reveal. Ain't no face reveal going around here. You guys know that. Come on now. Let me see who else is in the DM right now. I got a lot of people in here right now. For back testing, guys. If you guys want to back test now, do you want to back test price action or do you want to back test a strategy? That's like an indicator strategy. That's two different things, right? So do you want to back test a indicator strategy or are you back testing price action? So which one of it are you doing, right? Gold plays around too much, man. Like all day today, nothing but hitting stop loss. Today, I traded gold today. I had hit TP. I was actually in that trade when I was making a psychology video, so you guys will see. You guys will see. I think my charts are still up for gold. Let me see. Yeah, there it is right there. Yep. And I was actually recording the psychology video as this was playing out. It was starting to reverse, right? And then I was talking about, holding your trades, right? Because we came like literally like a pip from hitting TP and it started reversing. And I was telling you guys, about holding your trades, right? And how this trade was going to play out. And then I ended the video and then I finally hit TP at around like 2 hours ago. So you guys will see in the video when I drop it tomorrow and stuff like that. So it's going to be strategy. So indicator strategy. My SMA settings is 100 SMA. Right. So what strategy do you have, right? Do you use EMAs? Do you use like a Bollinger Band? Like what indicators are you using for your strategy? Demetrius, I appreciate you, man. We gonna stay in touch. Trend line break and retest. SMA trend line break. And the RSI. Yes, I will be posting a new Discord link soon. I haven't posted it yet. I will be posting it soon. So don't worry. Yes, I'll keep you guys posted on that. No, I don't use the same stop loss for every gold trade. Like I said, guys, like I said in my money management, the average true range of the market always changes, right? Gold can range, 20 pips one day. It can range 40. It can range 70. On heavy days, it can range 10 pips. So you have to be able to know where the market's moving, right? And wherever my like previous zones are, that's where I use my stops, right? Because zones can be here. It all depends on where the market is and the conditions of the market. Like I don't have a set stop loss, so there's no set stop loss. All right. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how your strategy works, so I couldn't really like back test it here. Hold on real quick. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know how your strategy works. So I couldn't really like tell you like what it does and like what you should be looking for. I mean, do you have the version for do you have market replay mode for trading view? And what time frames do you normally take your setups? Hello, hello, what's going on? Long time no see. Moving average dynamic support and resistance for scalping along multiple time indicators. You get into the trade, well, you can easily backtest that, right? You can backtest that. Like you just use your market replay mode, right? Just use your market replay mode for trend lines, right? And you're marking up your trend lines for every trade. You just seen here. You watching the market, making sure. All right. Boom. Good. So you just watching the market, doing your little back testing for the trend line break. I'm gonna draw out like a little zone here, cause we got some resistance right there. Ooh, look at that manipulation right there. Yeah, and then you just enter your trade, right? You enter your trade. I don't know how you set stops. But that's exactly what you gotta do. I would set stops like above structure of the trend line, or even, up here at the zone. However you set your TP. I like to use my fib extension, so I will put my fib extension there. Put my TP at the 2. I can put stops like around here or whatever. And that's how you want to just back test, right? Make sure you're looking at the retest, what's going on in the market. You let it play out. Just let it play out. Whatever happens, just let it play out. Boom, good. And then, you mark up. Where's my shapes? There you go. You mark up. Get your little green check mark there for a winning trade. And then you continue to watch the markets. I like to use one time frame. I don't like to switch. I don't recommend switching time frames because that can give you like a bias. So just make sure like you have a set time frame to back test your trend line on, or whatever it is, like whatever indicator that you use for like the EMA, SMA, right? Like you just upload your moving averages. Say this is like the 40, and then you have like the 20, and then you just wait for like EMA crossing, right? So here, for example, so we got the EMA cross here. We set, stop loss above here. You can set 1 to 5, right? And then you just back testing on the 15-minute. So you're just waiting for that EMA cross, right? You can come up with like ways to like hold trades, whatever that may be, right? So you just wait for that cross of that EMA, right? Boom, there's the cross. You enter your trade. You can back test it that way, right? Stop loss above there. Wherever you want to set TP, it can be like 100 pips. Set TP. You can look at the ATR. Like, let's see what the ATR says. ATR is around. Let me change the ATR to the SMA or the EMA. Let's change it to the EMA, right? So, all right. Let's move that. There we go. There's another cross, so that was a losing trade. You wait for the cross there. You get into that trade. If you want to make this more profitable, you will put the SMA, the smooth moving average. You can add 100, right? And you can have a set rule, right? If the SMA, if the market is below the SMA, you only look for sells, right? So you can avoid like buys. And when the market is above the SMA, you only look for buys, right? So so you when I got into this trade, you can just get out, right? And you just wait for the cross again to the downside, and then you let the market play out. Good. Now it looks like we're above the SMA. Now we're back below it. Wait for the cross. So whatever you like back test your EMAs on. This is just an example. This is not EMAs that I use, but this is just an example of like indicator, price action, how you back test. But I don't know how your strategy works, so I couldn't really tell you. So, but then yeah, you just marking it up. You mark up your wins. You keep checking it, and then you mark up your losses, and then you just total it up, right, to find your win rate and your losing rate. Max drawdown, all that stuff. So, oh, that's a lot right now. It's a lot of questions that I miss. If I miss your question, just write it again. My settings for the fib extension is the default. You should do QBank's torch challenge. Really? You think so? You said 62 watching, 24 likes. Hit that like button. Y'all heard Lou. FX forever. Y'all heard him. Nah, I don't know. I don't know why. Why do you think I should do it? You think that would be beneficial to me? Oh, look at Miss Jackson. Why you always coming around here with these donations? Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I like that little thing going on, that little game console. That's dope. Yeah, but I'm gonna have that psychology video out soon, so we gonna do that. But yeah, but it will be a lot easier for me to show you guys like how to do it. Like if I knew your strategy, like it will be way easier for me. But I don't know how your strategy works, so that I'm just giving you like ideas of how you can back test. Using set time frames and all that good stuff. Sticking to one time, especially with indicator strategies. You want to stick to one time frame with indicator strategies that you want to back test on. So I appreciate you guys coming into the live. You guys are busy too, but you take your time to come to the live streams and talk to your boy. So I appreciate you guys. Yeah, but we're gonna have that psychology video out tomorrow because some of y'all be rushing too much. Some of y'all be rushing y'all journey too much. Some of you guys be over here trying to make $100,000 overnight. Ramos, what's good? 1 to 5 minute is lit. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm glad you picked up on that, man. My boy Ramos been consistent. He'll tell you about it. Oh yeah, there's still VIP. There's still members too. It's open right now. So you better get your spot before it sells out. Ramos will tell you. We get down in that Discord. Yes, sir. How did I crack the mental game? It was a hard 2 years, but what I can say it won't work for everybody. This won't work for everybody, right? But like I said, you guys know I have the theory of that discipline is not a switch. It is something that you have to condition, right? So every day that you wake up in the morning, right? Let's say you don't make your bed in the morning, you don't wake up on time, right? Your alarm goes off and you hit the snooze button. Like those small, like you don't realize it, but those small inconsistency of not being disciplined reflects on everything that you do. And so you're not building proper discipline with your everyday life, right? Even as small as like, you know, your gas is empty and you should get gas, but you still like, you lay it off for the next day and then the next day, right? And you're just like procrastinating on certain things like homework, work that you got to do around the house, all that good stuff. Like things you're not being on top of. And so a lot of you guys think you can be on top of the charts. You can just automatically like start getting disciplined out of nowhere. And that's not going to happen, right? If you're not disciplined in your own life, you can't be disciplined with yourself, your family members. You can't stay professional at your job. What makes you think you're going to be professional on the charts? Because this is a professional field. And I talk about this in my psychology video. This is a professional field. This is not something you play around with. This is not something, an easy concept you just pick up and then you're going to start making money out of this market. This is professional. This requires numerous amounts of discipline, daily discipline, every day, waking up on time, doing your work on time, making sure you're eating properly, making sure you're doing your chores, making sure you're running your errands on time, making sure you're waking up on time, making sure you're getting that work done, making sure you're studying on the charts, making sure that you're using proper money management. Every day is a cycle. Discipline, discipline, discipline. You can't just go to the gym, right? You can say the same thing for consistency for going to the gym. You get this I know everybody in this chat can relate. You get this out of nowhere motivation. Man, I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna get in shape. All this, that, and the third. You hit the gym one day, you kill yourself, right? Yeah, I hit the gym. You might make it the second day. Then the third day, you kind of thinking about it. Oh, I'm kind of tired. I don't think I want to go to the gym today. You skip a day. Or you might make the third day, right? But then you skip the fourth day because you're like, man, I did 3 days in a row. I'm proud of myself. I'm going to take a break. And then that one break you take, what happens? It's weeks before you go back to the gym. Months. Sometimes y'all don't ever go back again. And then out of nowhere, a new year, January comes. New year, new me. I'm ready. I'm ready to be disciplined. Right? And how come those people never change? How come those people that always set goals, always have this boost of motivation, I want to do something, but then they can never reach their goal? Because they have not been disciplined their whole life. So how are they supposed to be disciplined now? So that's just my theory on discipline and how it's such a mental thing to build. Discipline is a muscle. I truly believe discipline is a muscle. It's a strong muscle if you train it well. If you don't train it, you're going to have just a lazy brain, right? Because it's not physical. Like physically you can be tired, but your body can still do things. It's mentally. If you're mentally tired, you're not going to want to do nothing. And if you're not disciplined, right? If you're not disciplined, tell yourself, hey, we need to get this work done. Oh, but I'm tired. If you have a weak mindset, you'll say, okay, yeah, I'm tired. Let me take a break. But if you have a strong mindset, you're going to be like, you're going to look at yourself crazy. Like, I don't have time for this. I need to get my stuff done. So build the discipline with yourself. And that's how you're going to crack the code. That's how you're going to crack the code. You can't be lazy every day. I'm not saying you guys are lazy, but you can't be lazy every day. You can't be doing all this stuff every day and not be disciplined and then expect to be disciplined on the charts. You can't pick and choose. You have to be disciplined all the way. If you're going to do something, you have to do it all the way. You can't be like, okay, I'm going to be disciplined here, but I'm going to slack off here. No, it doesn't work like that. Auntie G is disciplined all the time. I wake up in the morning. I do my morning routine, eat my breakfast, do my analysis, send my analysis on the charts. I wake up, do my VIP. I go to the gym on time, every day on time. Go to the gym, train, lunch, more work, videos, edit, it's just a daily cycle for me. Every day, work, 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 work. I might, if I have time, hop on the live with the NTG Academy, post more videos, go to sleep on time, wake up, repeat. Same thing every day, every day, every day, every day. That's how you're gonna build that discipline. That's how you're gonna crack the code. All right. So that's the cheat code right there. I just gave you guys the whole. Shoot, I don't even gotta upload the psychology video no more. Now I'm gonna still upload it tomorrow. That's true. And that's also true. I didn't let the market break me, right? I came back, all right? I didn't crack. I did take a break, but I came back. And I came back full force. Because I was already disciplined as it was back then. But then, like, I was really, like, you know, the things that, you know, the people talk about in the market about, they're talking about how easy it can be to make profit, right? How easy it can be to make profit, all this stuff like that. So I was kind of slacking on the charts, you know, in my beginning stage. So, but I realized that, no, this is not something I can play with. This is like a real professional thing. When I switched that gear, let you know, that's when I really hustled the market for real. I was not playing. I was doing sleepless nights on them charts, watching it all night, all day. I'm telling you, I put in a lot of work. I put in too much work. I put in too much work for anybody to tell me otherwise, right? So it is what it is. That's why they run all those gym specials in January. Yes, sir. They just get y'all. They already know people gonna be coming to the gym in January. They give y'all that special discount, starting low at $10. Let y'all come to the gym, and then they can make money off you easy. I'm not in any trades. Yeah, you can DM me on IG. I'm gonna try my best. I'm not gonna promise, but I'm gonna try my best to find you. I get a lot of messages on my Instagram, so like it's easy to get lost in my DMs, guys. Like that's why I don't really respond no more, because it's hundreds of people on there that are trying to get in contact with me. So there is no link to the Discord. There's no Discord right now. I will be uploading the Discord link soon. I expected a sell, which I did get into. Did I go over Nas? No, I didn't get over Nas. We didn't talk about that. We can go over the index market. I'm looking at US 30 right now. I got a nice pattern on US 30. What's going on? What you doing? Yeah, so this would have been a beautiful pattern, but we don't know when it's going to drop, right? Because we don't have any resistance, right? So we don't know when this is going to drop. So we just got to play it. We got to play it by market. So I am waiting for the break here so I can get into some sells. This could be like a retest here, right? We can actually draw out our fibs from here. See what that retest is going to be at. Yeah, the retest going to be somewhere around on that trend line. For sure. Somewhere going to be on that trend line. So we can get a retest confirmation for a buy there. Let me actually mark up that zone so I know. So I know what I'm looking at. Right there. Yep. Oh yeah, it already made new highs. Make sure you guys liking up that stream for your boy though. Do I follow patterns? Yeah, that's my strategy. I have my patterns on every chart. I don't go without them. Normally I draw it on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Yeah, so US 30 definitely looking good. I didn't do any analysis for Nas because right now, Nas, well, I haven't looked at it yet. This morning it wasn't like at any ideal spot. So I'm going to drag this out right here because I know this is going to play This is gonna play some sort of support in the near future, right? It's gonna come back down eventually. Let me see if we hit the retest. We didn't necessarily hit the retest yet, so we can still let that play out. Let me see if I can draw something from the top. No. Yeah, so we're just going up right now. Yeah, nothing that I can really draw out from there from the 1 hour. I'm just looking on the higher time frames. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna just stick to that. I don't like NOS, so I'm not gonna really be trading it, but I will mark up this though. Maybe this might play some resistance in the future. Who knows? But yeah, but I'm not gonna mess with NOS. US30 looks way better, way more profitable, so I'm just gonna stick to that until NOS starts to, make some sense. Did you catch the sell on gold at the 1995? Gold is at the 19? What? Gold is at the 19? Where? Since when? At the 1995? What? Am I seeing something different? What y'all charts looking like? Gold at the 1995 right now? Last time I checked. 1895? Shoot. Dang. What sell was that? I don't know. I don't know. 17. I'll just mess with you. But yeah, I did get a sell though today. This was the trade right here that I caught at the 1790. I actually missed pre-breakout. That's what I was telling my members there. I missed pre-breakout because it happened during the London session, right at 3 o'clock. I had the engulfing here for pre-breakout. So, but it's all good. I still got in. Yeah, but you'll see in the video. You'll see in the psychology video. Yeah, definitely. NGG when you coming to London. Oh, actually, I will be in London in April. So let me know. I will be in London in April. Right now I'm traveling right now. I'm actually gonna be in Texas soon. So I'm gonna be in Texas soon. Then I'm gonna be in Cali. And then I'm going back to Montreal for a little bit. So if anybody in the Montreal area, you want to meet at the Metro or something like that, maybe meet at Rockawberry, I'll be there. That's my favorite place to buy some pies and everything. So I love buying pies there for, in October for Thanksgiving and for Christmas holidays. So, oh yeah, we can definitely meet there, have some grub to eat. Your boy loves some desserts. I was already at Boston. That was like last week, like 2 weeks ago. I was in Boston. Remember, I told you I was gonna be in Boston that week. So, but I'm gone now. Yeah. So, Boston was kind of boring. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like it. No offense. I don't know. It wasn't really me. So, I'll do analysis for crypto for you guys. I'll do like a full crypto video. I'll do a full crypto video. All right. No, we're doing it. This is the Asian session. I'm not entering no trades right now. How much money did I lose? A lot. I can't even give you a number, but it was a lot. Definitely in them thousands for sure. You know, to Denver, I don't know. There's not really much in Denver. I'll just have to like do like a visit. So I don't know. I'm gonna look up Denver and see what they got over there. We gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna be traveling all in the states. I'll be everywhere. So drop your state. Maybe I might be there. I know I met up with two members. Well, actually, one of them, I don't know how, but they recognized me. It's crazy. I don't know how they did. I always be low key, but they found me. They found me. But it was cool though. It was cool. I always appreciate the love. So, in Georgia, I literally just came from Atlanta. Literally this week, I was in Atlanta. So, you just missed me. New Jersey. I actually never been to Jersey. So, I think I stopped by one day. You said, how can I not run into you? Nah, cause you drive, so there ain't no way you're gonna see me. You say got everything. We got everything, Denver. Yes, sir. Boy, let's get it. Let's go. I don't know, but I'm gonna let y'all know though. If I do pop up in Jersey, I'll let y'all know in the live, and I'll be like, yo, I'm gonna be in Jersey this weekend. You know, I'll let y'all know. I will be in Austin, and I'll be in Houston. Good pizza. Where did I stay? I was in the Hiltons at Boston. Yeah, I was in the Hiltons at Boston, and I when I travel, I don't really go much places besides to eat. Uh, yeah, I don't really go out that much, and I'm always just training, right? I'm just traveling for training, so that's pretty much it. You said I'm going on a tour bus? No, I just travel because I have like different like centers that I train with and stuff like that. So would I like to visit India? Of course. I'll go to India. Shoot. I like me my naan bread, you know, my curry. Oh yeah. I'll definitely be in India. Shoot, not right now. But I'll definitely visit one day for sure. I don't know. You touring? Shoot, why not? I'll let y'all know. I'll put my states and the dates where I'm gonna be there. And I'll meet up with some of y'all. Definitely. 2022? Ooh. Maybe. But yeah, but I'm a actually I do that for y'all. I should do like a back testing video for you, like how to back test. I'm gonna do a full. Okay, so I got some video ideas coming soon. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna work on a full back how to back test video. I'm gonna continue my money management series. I'm gonna do a crypto video, like how to analyze crypto and stuff. Yeah, that's some good stuff. Let me write that down so I can get on that. Yes, sir. Gonna have some good videos coming. Let me get to that stuff, man. Yes. He said, "Ha ha, fan tour." Yes, I'll definitely meet y'all. You know, especially for the ones that follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna get back on that soon. I actually, finally, I finally got my hands on a 3090 graphics card. And it took me 4 months, but I got it now. So I can finally do my streams that I want to do on Twitch. Yes. So that will be finished. That will be finished next week. And I'll have my full PC ready to go. You said I go to Bali? Oh yeah, I'll be there, so don't worry. Yeah, I definitely go. Pakistan, I appreciate you, man. Hey, shout out to Pakistan, man. Shout out to all the love over there. I don't know. I never used that broker before. It seems like you can though. You should be able to. Yeah, I think it's better because my breakout was when I just focused on gold. Like gold was the only pair I traded. You guys remember OG, my OG fans. You guys know Anti-G was like strictly gold, right? I didn't look at forest pairs, nothing. I was strictly gold. So but you guys opened, the doors. You guys wanted me to look at index. You guys introduced me to Nas. You guys introduced me to US 30. So I went to those charts, started smacking them up, and then you guys were like, "Yo, NTG, you should trade crypto." And I was already looking at XRP. So I was like, you know what? Let me look what is that. Got onto Bitcoin, started smacking that up too. So now I just do a little bit of everything. So I do a little everything now. I haven't been on gold like I used to be. I was today, but I know gold missed me. It's like you don't even give me no attention no more. So I'ma just range. You guys know why gold is ranging all the time? It's because NTG has been trading. She mad right now. In New York, I'll definitely be in New York soon. I'm like literally right there. I can drive to New York. You know. I don't know how to ask this, but how do you know when to go with your long-term bias? I like to go with my long-term bias when I don't see like great setups on scalping and when I'm at major support and resistance. Like when I'm at weekly major supports and resistance or like just major structure in general, that's when I get my long-term bias, right? Like for instance, for gold, right? Long-term bias, right? I have major areas right at the 1830, 1720, 1680, right? And my members know about that, but this is when I start switching gears. Like you see these gold lines, that's when I know like okay, it's time to be long-term bias right here. I can't be scalping around those areas. All right. You love Shiba Inu. I already invested in it, so do you trade boom and crash? Nah. You can start off with ETH, SRP, Bitcoin. Doesn't matter. Just risk is the same all around. You know. So hey man, but yeah, but that's all the time I got, guys. I want to stay longer, but your boy got to get to work. And plus y'all want some videos, right? So your boy got to edit those videos. So I got to get some more work to do. Like I said, the link is in the description. If you guys still want to join the Patreon before it sells out, it's up to y'all. But yeah, let me get these videos out so you guys can start watching some videos for sure. I'm gonna come live again, so save y'all questions, all that good stuff. I'll answer it again this week. I'm gonna go live again, and we can do like a full live. I know sometimes it gets like a lot of questions here and all that stuff, so it's just a lot of you guys. So, but I try to spread the love everywhere. But I appreciate everybody that came into the live. I appreciate the 48 people that liked the stream. Y'all the real ones. Y'all the real, I wish I can see who those 48 people are, but whoever those 48 people are, you're a real one. Just know that. And I got you. So I'm going to get those videos out for you guys. All right, guys. So you guys have a good night, man. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'm gonna go live again soon. So it's your boy NTG, and I'm out. Peace.